Hello everyone and welcome to my video tutorial on installing and configuring WhatsApp on your PC. By installing and configuring WhatsApp on your computer and other apps like Office Lens, you can work more efficiently, reduce stress, and save a lot of time and money on paperwork. Not only will you be saving time and money on paperwork, you will also be saving the planet. Remember the dinosaur told us about extinction. In this video, we will learn how to install and configure WhatsApp on your PC, link it with the WhatsApp on your phone, and exchange items such as documents, videos, photos, links between your phone and your PC. So it is assumed you already have WhatsApp installed in your phone. In another video, we will learn how to install and use Microsoft Office Lens. Go to Google and Google WhatsApp for PC. Click Get it from Microsoft. Wait for Microsoft Store. Click Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. It's now installing. Completed. You will now click Open. Click Get Started and wait for the QR code to pop up. Now we are going to the phone. Once the QR code pops up, we go to the phone. On your phone, open WhatsApp. Tap Menu on the top right and click Settings. Settings. Click the QR code logo on the top right. Click Scan Code on the top right. Use the phone to scan the code and click Continue. Link a device. Use mobile data. If you don't see the login in, you might need to scan again. Logging in, okay? So it's now logging into the WhatsApp on your computer. So we can click the back arrow and click the back arrow again, and then we can go back to the computer. Back on the computer, we can see the downloading is taking place. It's now downloading the recent messages from your WhatsApp to your computer. So I have blocked the messages for security reasons. Now we want to upload a file. It's the next thing we are going to do after now. We want to upload a file on the phone. So we are back on the phone. We go to Gallery, select a file that you want to upload, a video, a music, document. Click on WhatsApp. Click on the arrow button to upload. Then click on the arrow button again to confirm upload. It's now uploading. We'll wait for the upload. If you look at the status bar of the phone on the top, you can see the arrow is showing that it is uploading. And also the document that is uploading shows the progress, upload progress. So now the ding tells us that it has uploaded fully. We'll now go back to the PC and we can see that the video is actually uploading simultaneously on the PC. After upload, the next thing we want to do is save this file on the PC. We click on the uploaded item, right click on it and click Save As. The file save pop-up window will appear. Give it a file name and click Save. Click anywhere to get back to WhatsApp. In the same way you have uploaded a file on your phone and saved it on your computer, you can upload a file in the WhatsApp on your PC, and also it uploads simultaneously on your phone and you can save it. But before you can use WhatsApp on your PC, the one on your phone must be on. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.